Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to stop Google Chrome download automatically. To start, open your Chrome browser and from the menu click on Settings. After this, you must go to the Privacy and Security section. There, click on Site Settings. Here, in the Permissions section, display the option Additional Permissions. Now click on Automatic Downloads. In this window, check the option Don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. It is possible to create exceptions if you need from customized behaviors. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.